Yo, what's up mga treasure? Quick store review for today, and we're here in Geek PH in Mall of Asia. Location is in the screen. Pasok tayo sa loob. Let's go. As we go inside, you can see right away what they're offering. Mostly Funko Pops, and the store is hindi naman ganun kalaki. Then, yung mga ino-offer nila, it's really not that high tier, like mostly common Funko Pops from different lines. Marvels, Disney, Sonics, Friends, meron din dyan, nakita ko. And also other anime line like Seven Deadly Sins. May nakita kong Escanor, gusto ko siya bilhin kaso pangit yung box, medyo may stain na siya. But meron ding One Piece, Avatar, and many other line of Funko Pops. Meron pa sila netong rare na Pokemon starters. Medyo mahal yan pero goods yung Funko Pop na yan. And again guys, hindi siya ganun kalaki pero maganda naman yung store. Very decent, very cozy, minimalist kung sasabihin natin. And again, they are located here in Mall of Asia. One of the hobby store. Well, onti lang yung hobby store dito. So, visit them, Geek PH in Mall of Asia. Again, the address or the location is in the screen. Yun lang guys, na-share ko lang. See you guys later. See ya.